Hey, what's up you guys? So welcome back to another video. I'm going to be doing my quarantine transformation. I'm already halfway through there and then I had the idea to film some of it. So I already have my nails done, super cute. I have a pedicure, I have my eyelashes done. But all that's left is honestly like some waxing. I need to get my eyebrows waxed, and then I am in the process of dealing with this cystic acne. So I have all this stuff to take care of it by my dermatologist. I struggle really badly with hormonal acne, so it only happens around that time of month, which is really annoying. I hate birth control. I hope it dies, but like no babies at the same time. So anyway, but today I am going to get my extensions put in. I got my hair color done yesterday by my girl Brittany. I'm gonna put the before and after right here. Yeah, that was bad. That was really bad. But yeah, that's the before and after on my hair during quarantine. It is a hot mess express, but it's okay. So there's a lot of excitement happening downstairs, but but anyway, so I got my color done. Y'all already saw the before and after. It was really bad. So I'm gonna get my extensions put in today. I don't really know what direction I'm gonna have this video go in because I also have a Botox and filler appointment next week. So I might just do an all over transformation going from a mole rat to a baddie, you know, because I am attractive, believe it or not. He's really, really excited. He had his auction today and made money, but if you hear that in the background, I'm sorry. But anyway, so I don't really know what direction this video is going to go in, but I am going to go from that photo. I'm already in my mid phase, and then after I'm done, hopefully I'm attractive AF. So anyway, I'm gonna take y'all along. I'm gonna go put some makeup on and I'm gonna take you along my hair extension transformation, and then I might take y'all around the next time for my Botox, or I might make it into a separate video. We will see where this video goes. I have no idea, but hopefully y'all enjoy me turning into something less hideous than I am now. So stay tuned. I'm about to go head over to Dallas, Texas. I'm kind of local. It's like 30 minutes away from where I live, over here in Frisco. But I have my makeup on. I'm actually filling the bangs, which I never fill my bangs at all. I'm like, ew, bangs, why did I cut them? Check out that video because I was like filling them for 2 seconds and then I was like, no bangs. But it is 12 o'clock, so I'm gonna go get Starbucks and we're gonna head over there, and then you'll be seeing me with some long extensions, which is really exciting. And then yeah, we'll take the day from there. So see you soon. Okay guys, so it has been a long day. I went to the salon at 1 o'clock. It is now 6 o'clock, so it's been, whew, oh, I'm sorry, 7:30. It has been a long day, but I'm obsessed with the color. I'm obsessed with the extensions, and my girl really slayed. This is mermaid hair, also known as Chibella hair, and I got the eye tips. We did 4 bags, and she layered them really nicely. At first we were nervous and thinking that we might have needed 5 bags, but I really do feel like 4 bags is like enough. Like, it's thick, but it's not just too much hair because it is 24 inches of hair, but it's just so soft, so silky. The back looks good. I don't know if y'all can see. But yeah, the color looks amazing. I really like my bangs, which I've been hating for a long time, but I keep touching my hair, I'm sorry. But with the long hair, I really feel like the bangs are banging bangs. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I kind of just want to make it just like an extension video, and my hair transformation video, I guess you could say. And then I'll come back to y'all with another one with my Botox and fillers and all that good stuff. So, oh, and I also have some bikinis. I want to do a bikini haul. So I got a lot planned for you guys, but yeah, so go ahead and like this video. I know it was super random, but I mean, y'all can see the transformation. You can see how great this hair is. I've had this hair before, so I know it's gonna last me a long time, because last time it lasted me a whole year, and I could have kept it longer, but I think I wanted to change my color the last time, so that was the reason for that. But I just feel like a new person. I feel blonde and brunette at the same time. I was feeling super blonde before, and it was just a lot to handle, but back to normal. So anyway, go ahead and like, subscribe, and I'll be making more content for y'all guys shortly. So